first we're going to wash our vegetables. You can wash your vegetables in a large basin with water or in the sink. Just prepare a large basin of water, and I like to use a vegetable scrub brush. You can also use an inexpensive scrubbing pad. That'll work well also. And just scrub those vegetables. You don't need to peel the carrots, just clean them up a bit and put them aside. You just want to make sure that there's no loose dirt. And if you want, you can put a tiny bit of detergent in the water for a little bit better cleaning, but I just use plain water. And rinse them off good. Put them in there. If you have a rutabaga or a kohlrabi, you want to make sure you get into all the crevices because they can often have some dirt in there. And since we do not peel the vegetables, because you want to get all the good nutrients out of the skins, you want them to be good and clean. Now zucchini can tend to be a little sandy, so you want to scrub those up good. Make sure you remove any sand. And the parsley, you'll just leave in there and soak a bit. And take a look in the bowl, and if you see sand and dirt particles, then you give it another rinse until you're sure that there's no sand or bugs or anything in that parsley. And we'll put that aside. And the celery you can scrub up, making sure. Often there's a little bit of dirt and such in the bend of the celery, so you want to scrub those up. Now you can use the greens of the celery if you want. That also will add flavor to our soup. Okay, that's all our vegetables.